I am Ali Kazmi. I am the Director Marketing of SM Denim Mills, Pakistan, which is situated in Karachi. I am the graduate of Textile Institute of Pakistan, batch 2007 Sciences. After graduating from TIP was a mix of curriculum that TIP provided, the environment, and the social uplift and grooming, which actually helped me prosper in my career in a very nice way. I would say it was a mix of finance, economics, technical, and communication. TIP is a place where you not only excel academically, but also do well socially. It helps a lot in personal development. Either you choose marketing, production, you go towards retail, R&D, research and development, or product development, which actually makes you a market leader wherever you go. The whole curriculum is such a mix of products and such a mix of talents that makes your career go in the right direction and the interest that you want to develop in.